Pinwheels are a really useful design element for a lot of quilts, and I thought that block number 8 we could incorporate this into our standard 9 patch. You'll recall that we did the 9 patch with the 4 patch corner. So if we look at the pinwheel, you can see that it's 4 units in the same way that this is 4 units. You need to make sure that the wheels fly like the wheels of a windmill. They all fly in the same direction. It's really easy to get them, some of them flying in the other direction. You might not notice it when you're sewing, but I promise you, you'll notice it in the quilt. So I'm going to now open these up. This is one of those moments when I do open the seams. So I'll pop it back there just while I finger press them open. Because what that open seam will show you is we have this lovely V where the fabrics change colour.